welcome back to another video. This is Ivy Catling, your architect and property specialist. Right now, andito ulit ako sa Dolphyville. So, kung nakita niyo po yung previous posts ko regarding Dolphyville, so sa ngayon po ay mas marami pong mga na-reopen na lot. So, for today, I'll try to take some clips ng mga available pa po na lot. So, same price pa din po siya and same terms. Okay, so again, Dolphyville Estates Phase 1. Okay. And so, ito yung isang lot. I think starts from here. So, katabi siya nung sa water tank. Ayan, 150 square meters at 7,500 per square meter. Okay, yan po, available po yan. Yan, mas makikita nyo naman po, ongoing po yung pagko-construct ng perimeter fence. Okay, 150 square meter at 7,500 per square meter. So this one is also open. So as you can see po from the main gate, andito lang siya. This one is 193 square meter. For confirmation lang po if it's 7,500 per square or 8,500 per square, because I think this is a resale lot. So yeah, again, this is 193 square meter. So again, Dolphyville Estates here in Calatagan. So yan, that's the main gate. And this is phase 1. So yan, nakikita nyo puro puno ng mangga. So if ever na may matapat na puno ng mangga or any puno sa inyong lot na mapipili, so that's yours. Okay? So I'll show you the rest pa po ng mga available pa na lots. Let's go! So right here, right now, andito naman po ako sa phase 1 pa din, but block 3, block 1. So dito sa likod ko, meron po diyang available na 171 square meter inner residential lot po siya. So after po nung corner lot, next na po is yung 171 square meter. So probably around here, this area. And sa katapat naman po niya na lot, meron pong available na semi-commercial 161 square meter, and dun po sa katapat pa niya na lot, sa likod pa nung semi-commercial, meron din pong available na 152 square meter na commercial lot. So yun na po yung along Barangay Road. So when we say po semi-commercial lot, dito na siya sa loob ng phase 1, kasi pag commercial lot po is along doon sa Barangay Road. So nasa labas po siya ng gate. And then semi-commercial, papasok pa po kayo dun sa gate para lang po ma-access nyo yung mga semi-commercial lots. So semi-commercial lots, meaning pwede nyo po siyang gamitin as residential or for commercial. Like half-half po siguro, parang ganon. So yan, semi-commercial lot 161 square meter, commercial lot 152 square meter, and the residential lot po 171 square meter. So yung residential lot po is 7,500 per square meter, semi-commercial and commercial lot po is 8,500 per square meter. So yan lang po. And may isa pa pong available dyan na commercial lot. So, corner po siya. Doon din sa along Barangay Road, 241 square meter naman po siya. So, again po, commercial lot and semi-commercial is at 8,500 per square meter. So, yung residential naman po dito, so ayan, nakikita nyo po yung perimeter fence. So, hindi pa naman po siya tapos. But, the Dolphyville Phase 1 is up until that portion po. So, ayan, yung mga perimeter fence, so ongoing pa siya, hindi pa siya tapos. Ayan, so dito po sa part na to, halos complete na. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan. Yan po. And doon po sa kabilang side, meron pa din 150 square meter naman po. Semi-commercial din. And that's it guys for Dolphy Bill. So, other details po like the computation, yung mga requirements, terms, ayan, pwede ko pong i-discuss sa inyo kapag nag-inquire na po kayo sa akin. So, if you are interested, i-message nyo lang po ako sa mga contact details po na ipoprovide ko below. So, that's all guys. Dolphy Bill. Ayan, very fresh air and sobrang lapit lang po nito sa highway. So, if you can see this portion, yan na po yung National Highway. And malapit lang po ito sa Lago de Oro, if you're familiar with Lago de Oro. So, Lago is water ski park. So, yan. Madalas din pinupuntahan siya at night kasi yung sa restaurant po nila. And meron na din po dito ang Robinson's, Robinson Mart. Inquire now, reserve yours for only 10,000 pesos. Ano, di ba lumilipad-lipad pa yung buhok ko? So, ganyan ka-fresh air dito sa Dolphy Bill. So, again, if you are interested, message nyo lang po ako in my given contacts. Yan. Pwede ko po kayong samahan. If you want to see this place in person, schedule lang po natin ang tripping. So, again, this is Ivy Kathleen, your architect and property specialist. I'll see you on the next property. Bye-bye!